What up, subscribers? I am here to open up 6 Diamond and Pearl booster packs, and I'm going to be doing a variety shuffle with 3 each to mix up the rares and the reverses a little bit more, just to be doing something different. So let me go ahead and try that out. I am doing this video in front of my window so I can see how the cards look with natural light, and let me know how that goes. If they look a lot better, please comment and let me know so I can keep doing so. And I apologize if there's any sirens. I live right on the road, not too far down from the fire department. This is where my apartment's at, and fire trucks might be going through. Let me just tear through these packs. Shuffle them up. Try to shuffle them without doing any damage, so very gently. Alright, so here we go. Let me make sure it looks good. See everything. I think we're good to go. So I got a Rival, Rhydon. Sorry if I'm a little slow. I'm not real familiar with the Diamond and Pearl card, so I have to make sure I'm not running through the rares. Speed Stadium, Luxio, Dusclops, Hippopotas, Double Full Heal, Trim, Bonsley, Stunky, Combi, Baneri, Goldeen, Speed Stadium Reverse, Munchlax, which is one of my rares, Misdreavus, Chatot, Duskull, Onyx, Piplup, Hoot, Machop, Clefairy, Fire Energy, Roselia, Wobbuffet, which is another one of my rares, a Skuntank Reverse, which is a rare, a Potion, and a Weevil, which is my last rare. So somehow I managed to put most of those rares in the back. I do have 3 more to do that with. Packs that biz. So yeah, please leave a comment if you think it looks any better than my other videos. So, like I said, that I can keep filming them in front of the camera, or the window camera, with the best quality I can get. So I got a Nuzleaf, a Night Pokemon Center, Unknown, Haunter, and a Torterra level X. That thing looks bad as hell. That's a great looking level X card. It's probably that's the first level X I've gotten in a long time too. So that's good. I got a Psychic Energy, a Seedot, Meditite, Magnemite, Clefairy, Piplup, Staravia, which is not a rare, Sneasel, a Rhyperior Hollow. That card looks pretty good too. Pretty key. Cascoon, Prinplup, Pokedex, Unknown Reverse, Cleffa, Wurmple, Duskull, upside down. Awesome, I shuffled them in upside down. So Azurill, a Magnezone, reverse, which is a rare, Rhyhorn, Starly, Sneasel, Ghastly, and a Mantike, which is my other rare. Oops, got confused. Here's my other rare, the Beautifly. Beautifly. Getting tongue twisted here. So, pretty good pack. Plural. Got my tutorial level X, a Magnezone reverse, a Beautifly, and a Rhyperior Hollow. Can't argue with those results. So remember to comment if everything looks good, and I'll keep doing my film in front of the window. So appreciate you watching, and please remember to subscribe.